Hi there, welcome to our new market intelligence platform. We have been working a lot on this tool over the past year, and we are excited to launch it with some significant changes. In this video, I will give you a full demo of market intelligence, starting with a quick runout of what's new. First, we've made it much easier to analyze the App Store market as a whole. With the All Category view, you can see the top player across all App Store categories. Then, with all devices, you can analyze both stores at the same time for a truly holistic view. Finally, with all countries, you can get insight about the app market worldwide in seconds. Our new market intelligence provides much deeper insight. You can examine the top category, country, publisher, device of the top apps in any market. Those two graphs give you a sense of the total market size, with the other that represent the rest of the market and the top 10 here. Second, we are adding new advanced filters to allow you to go deeper into your analysis. We have started with the publisher filter, which allows you to analyze the top apps and games of any publisher. Lastly, you now have access to a wealth of new data for analysis. We have expanded the number of apps available, providing a much broader scope for investigation. For example, for the all category, all device, and all country view, you have access to more than 80,000 items, so apps. So that was the summary, but let's jump into a demo of market intelligence. You can explore all the store categories on the Apple and Google Play Store, but we also provide more fine-tuned categories, which are the app DNA and the game DNA. So let's say I have an AI app. I want to deep dive into the analysis of this market, and I can choose to analyze it for all countries or only for the country I am interested in. So here I have the top 10 app of the market, but I want to analyze some trends. What is really nice here is that I can instantly know when ChatGPT was launched. Then I can analyze the proportion of downloads in the country I am interested in, or I can check the best publisher of this market, and I can split by device, DNA, or apps. With this table, I can compare the performance of my app to the other in the market, check what are the best apps in terms of downloads, also in terms of revenue. Or I can also sort by growth to see which app is growing the most for the period I am interested in. And finally, I can check the app page preview of a certain app. Let's say I'm a game developer and I want to create a new game in the action category. First, I want to check the top publisher of this category. So here I have some results like Garena, AI Game, Voodoo. I can go deeper into the analysis and check the split by publisher to understand the market as a whole, and I can find here that the market is really competitive, as the top 10 publishers take nearly half of the market. Still, I want to go deeper into the analysis, so I will choose one publisher that might be interesting. So here I have searched for Voodoo, and I can find the top 10 apps of Voodoo. Then you can check what are the most predominant country in terms of downloads. You can check also the number of downloads for Android or for iPhone. You can also check the most predominant DNA of Voodoo and learn from that. Here again, you have all the apps of Voodoo. With the seasonality view, you can time campaigns to maximize the impact in the week, month, and year. Thanks to this view, you can improve budget allocation per country based on seasonality. Let's take the example of the shopping category. You can first find some interesting insight when you want to compare Japan and Brazil. With this insight, for example, you can check that for Brazil, it is more interesting to make campaigns during the week, while for Japan, it's more interesting during the weekend. We have more features to see. So for example, download to top, where you can respond to questions like how many downloads does my app need to rank in the top 3 in its category. You can also check the top chart to deep dive into the top apps by countries. The possibilities are endless for analyzing market trends and finding new opportunities to grow. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't hesitate to get in touch with our team to learn more.